day everyone, I am here at Jasareno Battery Supply. The cheapest supplier of Motolite Solar Master Battery in Camarines Sur. Today I will buy 120 amp hour battery additional to 200 amp hour battery of my solar power system. Motolite battery have longer discharge period, lower discharge rate, made with thicker, high-density plates, can withstand several hundred total discharge/recharge cycles. Thick lead antimony grids provides excellent cycling capability. Composed of heavy-duty glass mat separators that resists plate corrosion, thereby increasing battery life. Stainless steel attachment bolts and washers. Remove sticker on battery caps since flooded batteries release gas when charged and should not be used indoors. If placed in an enclosure, a vent should be present because the battery releases occasional fumes which can accumulate inside and become harmful. Motolite Solar Master 120 amp hour battery length is 502 mm, width of 180 mm, height of 230 mm and weight of 25.7 kilograms. Measure the distance between battery terminals before cutting the wire. In this video I did not use battery wire, instead I used THHN wire to connect my batteries in parallel. Use crimper to connect battery lugs to the wire. Connect negative terminal to the negative terminal of your new battery and positive terminal to the positive terminal of your new battery. These blue wires are from my solar panels going to solar charge controller, but I put a DC watt meter to monitor solar panel power output watts and amps. This is my 12 volts 30 amp charge controller connected to my batteries. These batteries are connected parallel, positive terminal to positive terminal and negative terminal to negative terminal. This is my Bosca 4000 watts pure sine power inverter. I use this to power up my 220 volts appliance. The white one is my AC watt meter to measure wattage of appliance before plugging it to the inverter. Thank you for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.